Stop. Most people waste money buying the wrong air fryer. Here are 9 biggest mistakes to avoid. Buying an air fryer seems simple until you realize you picked the wrong one. But most people make at least one of these mistakes and end up with an air fryer they barely use. Too small, too complicated, or just not what they expected. In this video, we're going over the most common air fryer buying mistakes, and if you avoid these, you'll save money, time, and a lot of frustration. Let's start with the most common mistake, choosing the wrong size. A lot of people go for a smaller air fryer thinking it'll save space, but quickly realize it can't fit enough food. If you're cooking for more than 2 people, a small basket becomes a problem fast. On the flip side, going too big can waste space and energy if you're only cooking for 1 or 2 people. So the key is simple, match the size to your household. But even if you get the size right, there's another factor that directly affects performance. And that's wattage, something most people completely ignore. Because here's the mistake, assuming all air fryers cook the same. Lower wattage models, usually around 1200 to 1400 watts, can struggle to get that deep, crispy texture, especially with thicker foods or larger portions. Higher wattage models, around 1700 to 1800 watts, heat up faster and deliver better crispiness. So if you've ever wondered why some air fryers feel slower or less crispy, wattage is often the reason. And once you understand that, it changes how you look at the next mistake. Because it's not just about power, it's about how you cook. Some people only use air fryers for frozen foods and snacks. Others want to cook full meals, roast vegetables, or even bake. But here's the mistake, buying an air fryer that doesn't match your actual cooking habits. If you cook full meals, you might need a larger or more powerful model. If you just want quick snacks, a basic one works fine. And that leads directly into another common mistake. Mistake number 4, overpaying for features you don't use. Air fryers today come loaded with features: dehydrate, bake, roast, reheat, even app controls. But in reality, most people only use a few basic functions. So paying extra for features you'll never use? That's wasted money. Focus on what you actually need, because more features don't always mean better results. And that becomes even more obvious with this next mistake. Mistake number 5, choosing price over quality. This one goes both ways. Some people buy the cheapest air fryer they can find and end up replacing it within months. Others go for the most expensive model expecting a huge upgrade and don't notice much difference for everyday use. So what actually matters more than price? Consistency, build quality, and performance, not just the price tag. And that brings us to something people usually forget until after they buy it. Mistake number 6, ignoring cleaning and maintenance. An air fryer might cook great, but if it's annoying to clean, you won't use it as much. Some models have better non-stick coatings and dishwasher-safe baskets. Others are harder to maintain. And this is one of those things you don't think about until it becomes a daily annoyance, which leads to another practical mistake. Mistake number 7, not thinking about counter space. Air fryers can take up more space than you expect. Some are bulky, wide, or tall, and once they're on your counter, they're not easy to move. So before buying, think about where it's actually going to go. Now here's the mistake that most people don't realize until they've already bought their air fryer. Mistake number 8, expecting it to replace everything. Some people expect an air fryer to replace their oven completely, and while it's great for quick meals, crisping, and saving time, it's not ideal for large meals or baking in bulk. Understanding this upfront helps you avoid disappointment and actually get the most out of it. Mistake number 9, ignoring noise level. Air fryers can be loud. Some models sound like a small fan running constantly, while others are noticeably quieter. If you're cooking early in the morning or just don't want extra noise in your kitchen, this can make a big difference. Higher powered models, especially around 1800 watts, can be a bit louder because of stronger fans. So before buying, it's worth checking noise levels, because once you notice it, you can't unhear it. Final takeaway. So if you avoid these mistakes, especially size and wattage, you'll end up with an air fryer that actually fits your needs. It's not about buying the most expensive model. It's about buying the right one for how you cook. So what to buy? If you're not sure where to start, reliable options like the Ninja Crispy Pro, Cosori Iconic, and NutriChef offer great performance and the right balance of power and features. Look for models in the 1500 to 1800 watt range for the best results. I've added links to all these best options in the description below, so you can check current prices on Amazon. And if you want to make sure you're choosing the right type of air fryer, check out this video comparing glass versus basket air fryers. It'll help you make the right choice.